Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. When it comes to body wash, there are two things that are really important to me. I want it to smell good and I want it to lather. And this Simply body wash from raw sugar accomplishes both of those things and more. This particular scent is the pineapple Maqui Berry Coconut. It smells so good, like a tropical vacation. It's got a great lather. This is really helpful for when I'm shaving, so I don't cut myself, so I appreciate that. But another thing I really love about this body wash is it doesn't dry my skin out. It's made with some different oils that help to not just cleanse your skin, but moisturize, such as olive oil and aloe vera oil. There's also a few organic cold pressed ingredients too. There's no parabens, phthalates, or sulfates, which is a bonus. So if you want to feel like you're on a tropical vacation while you shower, you should check this out. I absolutely love it. And that's my point of view.